So you have PubMed, which is a third-party source for information, and then examine.com. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the unboxing for April. That's right, the doTERRA LRP is like a frequent flyer program, so the more you purchase, the more free product credits you get, and you can redeem those for products. There you go. And so we're just going to get right into it and open this up. So doTERRA, and you can pursue what's pure. That's right. All right, so here we go. Christmas in a box. I just did my taxes, so you know this is a nice, a nice relief after doing all that work. Now I get to enjoy these amazing products that help maintain a wellness lifestyle after a stressful tax season. It wasn't really stressful, it was just time consuming, but it definitely helps me understand my business a lot better and what I can do in the future. That's all the tax talk we're going to do for today. Let's get right into the products. So what we have first is kind of like Noah's Ark, you know, two of, not everything, but two of a lot of things here. So the enzymes, these help break down proteins, fats, carbs, sugars, and which is really important with cooked foods. So rule of thumb is take, you know, 1 if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, 3 if your meal is fully cooked, and maybe 4 if you're, you know, a large cooked meal, and ideally 30 minutes before, so it lays a bed of enzymes in your stomach so that it can help break down your food and support digestion and all that good stuff. There you go. So these are really important. These are missing in the standard American diet or the SAD diet, SAD. We're going to put that off to the side. You can see doTERRA's focus on green packaging that's biodegradable, compostable. There you go. Alright, so we're going to continue with the Noah's Ark theme slightly. We have Fractionated Coconut Oil, which I've been actually buying now, or I'm going to buy maybe more consistently in the future with like 2 a month, because that's about how much I use. And this is a 1-ingredient lotion, non-greasy, no smell. I use it after I shower because my skin is most receptive and open, moisturizes my skin, and reduces the chance of irritation from essential oils. So this is really, really important, and I just love the way these feel. They're fast absorbing and they're very hydrating to the skin, and if I don't moisturize properly after a shower, my skin's super like irritable, tingly, chafy, and so it's really great to have these 1-ingredient moisturizers. Hey! Speaking of ingredients and unboxings, you can get a shipment of coffee from Coffeereaper.com to darken up your mornings in the right way. There's blends, flavors, capsules, and a sampler pack so you can order one time or subscribe and save each month. On top of that, there's free shipping for orders over $50, so it's a win-win for everyone. You can learn more at Coffeereaper.com, or you can click on the link in the description area below. Next, we have On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. I have a couple of these like underneath the kitchen cabinet, bathroom cabinets as backups, and it's mostly for, as you can see here, cleaning surfaces, dishes, toilets, sinks, floors, and it's very concentrated, and so that's the key. But it's a green, non-toxic cleaner that I love to use, and it's great. And the main way I use it is mostly in the toilets, so that way they get clean with something that's natural and green. There you go, that rhymed. Hey, do it all the time. Yeah. Alright. Next is PB Assist. These are probiotics. These will support your digestion and your immune system, which is really important with beneficial microorganisms. You want about a 10-to-1 ratio, 10 of the good guys to 1 of the bad guys, and when there's an imbalance, that's when we start to feel a little under the weather. And so this is going to help, you know, that balance be restored, or that healthy imbalance, right, of the good to bad, the 10-to-1 microorganisms. And you can see the different types that are in here. There's a prebiotic to feed them, so they have their little lunch boxes, right? And that's really important too. So this day and age when, you know, a lack of focus on immune system is being talked about in the media, it's so important that we do things that support our immune system. And the essential oils, which are here, which I'm going to get into, are the immune system of the plant that you're applying to your own body and immune system to support it. In the essential oil community, it's, you know, more known. Outside the essential oil community, it's like, oh, that's a bunch of hocus pocus snake oil. But no, there's tons of research The Modern Essentials book is a great way to research more of the facts and the science. And science, literally, the root word just means knowledge. So that is what science is just knowledge. It doesn't assign right or wrong to anything. And so that's also an important thing when people mention that term a lot. But continuing on, we have the 3 Amigos, the Lifelong Vitality Pack. And this is doTERRA's one of the best-selling products. This is the vegan version though. This is the Alpha CRS Plus, so it has energy in a bottle for you that's no caffeine, no sugar, and you can see some of the ingredients here, minus the glare. So there's the Tummy Tamer blend, and then you have a number of other blends here. We have the Cellular Energy blend, oops, one just dropped, the Cellular Vitality blend here, so botanicals and extracts to, again, help support you on a cellular level, your mitochondria, which are little engines of your cells. And if it's an electric cell or electric vehicle cell, then the powertrain or the drivetrain instead of an engine. There you go. So that is that. And then since one already fell out over here, we'll talk about it. We have the VE Omega. These are the omegas 3, 6, and 9. So this provides a healthy balance from plant-based sources. And you can see the ingredients here. You have vitamins. You have the vegetarian omega blend. We're fighting the glare, but that's okay. Carotenoid blend, and then there's 9 essential oils to help support you on a cellular level for your brain, joint, and muscle function. And so that's why this is very important. And these 3 Amigos are missing in the standard American diet. Again, another reason why these are important. So you can see a pattern with the standard American diet or the SAD diet. You know, that's pizza, French fries, hot dogs, soda, you know, fried chicken, or, you know, all the things that are tasty, but your body does not benefit long term from a health and wellness standpoint. And so probiotics are missing in that standard American diet. Enzymes are missing in that standard American diet. We have definitely, you know, lack of mitochondrial support that's lacking. Omegas, healthy balance that are lacking. And also what's lacking is in the standard American diet, or just even a healthy diet, because the soils are so depleted due to the industrialized agricultural industry. So it's important to have absorbable vitamins and minerals, which is what this is. So this is the vegan Microplex VMZ, and you can see all the ingredients here. And so we have vitamins, we have some minerals here, we have a proprietary whole food blend, we have active enzyme blend, so going back to that, and then the Tummy Tamer blend there too. And so these are very important, and these are more absorbable form of these, because it's not, you know, the saying, you probably heard of it, you are what you eat, but a more important and relevant and practical saying is you are what you absorb. And the absorption for the vast majority of vitamin mineral supplements out there on the market are really bad, and you're basically just peeing away your money. So it's important to have an absorbable form of all that, and that's what this provides, and that's why doTERRA focuses on that. And so that's very important. And then lastly, we have some essential oils here. Alright, so we have lemon and lime here. There you go. Some of my favorites. I use these in my waters. And so I use empty kombucha bottles for these. And so it's just 1 drop per 4 ounces. So for a 16-ounce empty kombucha bottle, I'll put reverse osmosis water. I'll put about 4 drops, so maybe 2 of the lime, 2 of the lemon. And then I'll put some apple cider vinegar that's raw and organic in there too. And then I have like a nice little drink that is very, it's going to support alkalinity, detox, the immune system, digestion, because the apple cider vinegar has mother in it, or beneficial microorganisms as well. And so this lifestyle here is what allowed me to not get under the weather at all in 2020. And there's also, you know, a lack of exposure of people that are, you know, that too, so that helps. But definitely I would say the daily focus on hydrating and making sure I have a wellness lifestyle. So what I did to get well, I do to stay well. And I hit things up more so based on how I feel each day. So if I'm feeling, you know, if I have some more anxious feelings, or if I'm feeling a tiny bit under the weather, I'll hit up, you know, some more immune system function supporting oils. So it just all varies. The Modern Essentials book, again, is a really good resource for all of that, because you can just look up stuff encyclopedia style, and there's facts and studies to support the claims for those who are anti-MLM or anti-doTERRA or anti-essential oil. There's tons in there. And for those who don't want Modern Essentials book, so you have PubMed, which is a third-party source for information, and then examine.com as resources as well. And so those are ways to look up supplement facts. So there you go. And so my next steps for all of this are to basically get them ready for the cabinets in the kitchen or the bathroom, and to place these products where I can't help but use them. Because if they're out of sight, they're out of mind, but if they're in sight, they're in mind for use. And it's important to remove all the barriers to use, like, you know, opening it up and removing the plastics, and, you know, I'll recycle this stuff as well. And I'll put these in my cabinets where they need to go. Everything has a place, and it's important that they're in their place so that when I need to use them, I know where to go to place them on my body or in my body, which is what you have the most control over, what you put in and on your body. It's important to use natural, safe, effective, and affordable ways to do so. And so that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below. I'll have some more information on exactly what I bought, and if I got anything for free this month, that'll be down there as well, and we'll go from there. And I'll see you in the next video.